This accordion is the Aero II by Ottavianelli. It's the premium edition. It has 34 piano keys and 72 bass notes on the left hand. The right hand has 4 sets of reeds: low, middle, middle, middle. I'm going to go through all the registers right now. Let's hear the bassoon from G up to an E. Okay, the next register from my chin to my feet is the bandoneon, which is middle and low together. Okay. Now the next one is low with 2 middles. Okay. The next one we have is violoncello, which is the low, but with one of the middles that's out of tune. And let's go ahead and we'll compare, let's see, that one with, let's hear the 3 middles now. The 3 different middle combinations of 2 middles. You have that, and you have this. And you have this. Right? All different. So this one's a lot drier. Getting wetter. Wetter still. Yeah, they're all beautiful. Okay, and then the 3 middles together. Where is that? Let's see. Okay, here, right here. Gorgeous. Then the 3 middles with the low in it, so that's the master switch. Cool. Okay, now just the clarinet, which is just the middle that's in tune. Wonderful. Okay, let's go through the bass. It's nice, all black over here. Black buttons, black body, and black switches. Here's the top switch. It's like an organ switch. High chords, that's usual for the organ switch. Okay. The next one in the middle is okay, and then the bottom one is like a bass piano. So the difference between that and that. See? Hear the difference?